Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the Civitatis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the where are you going to travel button. And you can start to type your own destination, or you can just search within the top destinations that the application provides. So for example, if you want to go to Paris, then just click on that. And as you can see, you will find all the activities that you can do in Paris. So, for example, if you are interested in the Montmartre free walking tour, then just click on that. And then you will be able to find all the information with like description, prices, and details, cancellations. And you can even check the availability. So if you know that you're traveling there in May the 17th, then you can see that there's an available place at 5:30 p.m. And yes, after that you can just start booking it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.